Who's that very big airplane? Huh? Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Dito na kami. Cebu Safari Adventure Park. Cebu Safari, first time of Liam and everyone. Aviary, have mga birds.
Bird?
Watch the birds. Go inside, Liam. Go inside. Go inside. Look for birds. There, inside. Go inside the cave. Have parrots.
Oh, they're parrot or red.
20 birds.
Where? Wow, have nest. Have nest. Have bird. All of yan. Oh, bird. Bird. Kala ng red. Oh.
Nice.
They're fast.
White lion. White
Lions are nocturnal in nature, so that means they have
There's the lion.
And during the day, they just spend most of their time sleeping. And their diet, we give them just chicken or beef, and they can eat up to 2 kilos each lion per day. Oh, here, oh.
White lion? Hold on. There is that.
Hindi na klaro sa
France, madami sila gikan. Wala ko sila. Break lagi daw nila. Kasi lagi na. Night shift, magaling sila.
ulit-ulit lang yung tiga mo.
No. Very big bird.
What color of the bird? White. Wow.
Have bird. Have ostrich.
Ano ostrich? Ano ang bento? Ano? Sana?
Let's go. Go up.
It's already here.
Go up.
So you're going.
Go up, have ostrich. No.
And the bird?
Angry man the bird.
And you're hungry. Wow.
No.
Ostrich kasi sa apas. What's the ostrich doing?
Eating.
Right here. Hinay lang ma.
Caution. Poopy. We have eagle. Eagle. Pala oh.
Bago manda po.
Diretso to. Tiyan niya oh. Eagle. Adentro. What's that? Eagle. Oh,
Hindi ulit ang miraw. Hindi ulit sa
here, oh. Eagle.
Oh, they're up. Oh, they're up the eagle. There, alangga. Oh, up there, daddy. Oh, there, oh.
Mula para kang daddy. Let's go!
Sabi na nagagawin mo, kay strong na ako na yun.
Morning, sir.
No?
No, eating bird oh, eating banana.
Ito yung banana, the bird. They're up.
Say bird. What you doing?
What you doing, bird?
Babay na to ka camel. Bye-bye camel. Say Liam.
Oh, very big. Very big. Fish.
Picture, let's go for a picture.
Healthy sila tayo. Si McQueen. Siguro sa mga niya dito ko.
Oo, pwede. Ba niya kauna?
Anak, no, open mouth the crocodile. Where's the crocodile? Where?
No, very big one that one. Oh.
Here or down? Ano ba? There down. No, what that? Siguro mga tidad.
Let's go down, crocodile that one.
And also known as Kingsley Kalahari Desert in Africa. Then the other ones are called wildebeest. So they are also known as seasonal migrator. When migrating seasons in the wild, they will lead the herd together with the other animals.
Favorite ulam din mga
Again, we have James Bond.
Oh, ano? Senaryo, no? Pangilataan. Senaryo, kami mag-business ka, no?
They're called Thompson's gazelle. So they are the smallest antelope here. They can run up to 40 miles per hour and can live up to 10 to 13 years in the wild and up to 20 years in captivity. So both female and male of them have one.
Bye-bye, gazelle.
Yes. Yum. What's that?
What's that?
Their stripes are unique in terms of their identification, the same as our fingerprints. And then reddish brown are called blessed buck, so the white mark on its face can absorb heat of the sun. The word blessed came from the African word
Eating
Again, we
zebra.
have zebra and blessed buck.
Oh, my dear. That one, what's that?
These are called impala, so they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour, and also known as fleet runners and great jumpers. Also, 90 kilometers. Those are called impala.
Kamusta ko may mga cheetah, el impala nila favorite.
And records there?
Kamusta kaya ng mga cheetah, el impala.
What's that, Liam? What's that? There. Liam, what's this?
Spiky here are called water bucks. Usually they live near the rivers and lakes because they are only antelope that has lack of endurance in land. With horns are called eland, so they are the largest species of antelope, and they are also the slowest. They can only run up to 10 kilometers per hour. And those are called greater kudu with white line pattern of the body. So the greater kudu has the ability to become motionless if they can spot predators. They can stand still and very difficult to spot. And then we have water buck, eland, and greater kudu.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Grande mo siya. Oh. Sa kumigo bangga. No, very big. Hey bird! Hey bird! Hey bird in the hat of Liam! Smile, smile, smile! Smile, shut it! Oh no! And mommy also have birds!
Ma'am. Hey,
Oh no!
Ma'am.
Asa subid ito yung kalo yan? Deklaro. No, have birds! What's that? Have birds!
Lagi ko ng anten eh.
Move, you can move. Ano pwede na move? It's okay. Come here, daddy. It's okay. It's okay, bird. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Bird playing lang.
Playing only.
Oh, playing the birds, oh. Playing the birds na, oh. Look up, look up, look up. Smile, show it.
Hi.
Show it.
Say hi.
Show it, show your teeth. Na, birds is in the hat of Liam na. Heavy? Is it heavy?
The picture to dad.
Ngayon, pwede man siya. Go. Oh, mommy also a bird, oh.
Burger sa Mami Joy.
Siya, ma'am.
Oh, have bird si daddy? You si daddy or bird? Have bird.
Daddy.
Oh,
Picture daddy. Dalambay kundi ka daddy. Yeah.
Kitty.
Okay, okay, dito. Okay, Mami Joy, you see your Mami
You see
Joy.
daddy, oh?
Kayo lahat
Hey, also bird.
Mami Joy.
Yam, aki, oh.
Ate, ang ganyan.
Aki.
Okay, baby. Ma'am.
Look at the camera lang ka.
Thank you. You bring home the bird?
Bring home the bird. Bring home the bird.
You like kakagunti ko. You like to come to Zamboanga? Daddy, dito yung gold na proof.
Alala. Snatcher pa mga bird. Remove na si ate the bird.
Okay, no more.
No more bird.
No more na bird. Remove lang si ate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Sagan sila kero. Yes, ang boton.